Hi guys. Before Christmas, I spotted a box full of these radio-controlled cars that have been carefully put together with their transmitters or controllers, £5 each. I didn't buy them. I thought they were ideal for somebody to have for Christmas. But when I went back there yesterday, there was still this one left. So I bought it, mainly because somebody in the comments on one of my other videos was asking about binding the 2.4 gigahertz toy systems. And the simple answer is you're out of luck. If you haven't got the right controller for the car, controllers by other manufacturers don't match. They seem to have gone, they've diverged. It may be a manufacturer's trick to force you to buy a new car. With the old 27 megahertz, you had a 99% chance that if you bought one from a different manufacturer, it would work on your car. But the 2.4 gigahertz ones are not like that. You just don't get them to match unless they're from the original manufacturer. So I thought I might demonstrate the other option, which is buy a cheap one and swap the components over to the car that you want to save. First of all, we'll just get this one working. I did try it and it looks like the batteries are flat. I think they were left switched on in the car. I think they were left switched on in the charity shop. Yeah, steering is just twitching a little bit. So we will replace the batteries and see if it works. Okay, looks like we have workers with lights. No rear lights, but front lights. Okay, we'll give it a little run. Turning circle's not very good. Oh, it's stuck up on the wire. stuck up there again. Anyway, that one works fine. So what we will do is we'll pinch the bits out of it to get one of the other ones working that I bought about a month ago now. But we'll do that in a different video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.